Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by entering the round formula directly where you need the rounded value. Type equals round, then click the cell with the number and type a comma. Next, enter how many digits you want. Use 2 for cents or 0 for whole numbers. Once done, press enter and confirm the result matches your intent. You do this because round changes the stored value used in calculations, not just the display, so downstream formulas use the true rounded number. Now extend the technique to control direction and scale. Use round up to always raise and round down to always lower. That's useful for inventory or pricing rules. For rounding to tens or hundreds, enter a negative num digits, for example -1 to round to the nearest 10. Make sure to wrap aggregate functions with round, for example equals round, sum, b2, b10, 2, so the final total is rounded consistently. Otherwise, you'll get visual rounding differences and surprising totals. To finish, replace any display-only formatting with explicit round formulas where accuracy matters, like payments or tax figures. Once done, scan key formulas to ensure they reference rounded cells when required and lock references with $ if copying. If numbers still look off, remember that formatting shows rounded values while formulas use full precision. Make sure to round the source values. Quick troubleshooting. Use equals mod, cell 1, or increase decimal places to reveal hidden fractions, and then fix with round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.